When it comes to woodworking safety, one area that is often overlooked is foot safety. Wearing appropriate boots or shoes in the woodworking shop can help prevent a range of injuries, from cuts and punctures to slips and falls. I'll explain why it's important to wear proper footwear in the woodworking shop and how to choose the right boots for the job. First of all, let's talk about the risks involved in woodworking. Whether you're cutting, sanding, drilling or chiseling, there's always a risk of sharp objects or flying debris coming into contact with your feet. In addition, the sawdust and other debris on the shop floor can create a slippery surface, making it easy to lose your footing and fall. To protect your feet in the woodworking shop, it's important to wear boots or shoes that are both sturdy and slip-resistant. The sole of the boot should be thick and durable, with good traction to help prevent slips and falls. When choosing boots for woodworking, avoid those with laces that can come untied or get caught in machinery. Instead, opt for boots with slip-on or zip-up closures. In addition, consider choosing boots that are waterproof or water-resistant, as this can help prevent injuries from exposure to liquids or chemicals. Once you have your boots, it's important to take care of them. In conclusion, wearing proper boots or shoes in the woodworking shop is essential for foot safety. Look for boots with steel or composite toes, thick and durable soles, and good traction. Choose slip-on or zip-up closures and consider waterproof or water-resistant options. Keep your boots clean and in good condition, and replace them if necessary. By taking these simple steps, you can help prevent injuries and enjoy your woodworking hobby safely.